Hello everyone, I'm Spencer. And today I'm going to walk you through CUMIA DataGPT, starting with installation and the setup, and then moving into its core features. CUMIA DataGPT is a practical AI-powered data analysis tool that lets you talk to your data in plain language. You don't need to write complex SQL to get insights from your data. With CUMIA DataGPT, you can ask questions in natural language and automatically generate dashboards. You can get ready-to-run SQL queries generated for you. And you can also translate your data and create new analytical tables. And you can run automated data quality checks to make sure your data is reliable. Also, you can publish your results as secure RESTful APIs and manage them in one place. It's simple, straightforward, and built for real-world use. The license costs $399 US per year, and all features updates and new features are included at low extra cost. In this video, we will start from the very beginning, cloning the repository, configuring the environment, and using Docker Compose to bring the entire system up. So let's get started. Here, let's navigate to the top of the link and open the documentation. We have to clone the repository. First, let's take a look at this repository. We can say the Docker Compose file here, the license file, and the env template file here. So let's take a look. We can say many services here. First is PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is used to store CUMIA DataGPT's system data, including user information, configurations, and vector indexes. And this image, it supports vector storage. This is the next service is API service. The API service is the core behind the backend of CUMIA DataGPT. It's responsible for intelligent analysis, SQL generation, and data quality checks, and RESTful API management. You can see it depends on OLAMA service here. The next service is UI service. The UI service is the web front end of CUMIA DataGPT, where users can interact with the system to run the analyses, build dashboards, write SQL, and manage APIs. The next service is Trino. Trino is a distributed SQL query engine. We use it here for data transformation, data processing, and data quality validation upon various data sources. And the next service is Redis. Redis is used for catching repeated database queries. Here is the next service is Ollama service. The Ollama service provides local text embedding capabilities and is used to vectorize database schemas and metadata to improve semantic understanding and SQL accuracy. And the last service is ClickHouse. ClickHouse is the business analytical data source for this demo. It comes preloaded with our list Brazilian e-commerce dataset from Kaggle. We use this dataset for just for test. And Chimera DataGPT supports various of databases such as PostgreSQL, Trello, Doris, and ClickHouse, and MySQL, etc. So all of these services are the Chimera DataGPT rely on. Now let's navigate to the env file. The environment configuration file here, there is a env template here. First is the database configuration file, which we use to store the metadata and the configuration of Chimera DataGPT. Here's a master here. And the cache file, the cache, we can use Redis or memory type. When you choose the memory file, if the service stopped, then the memory gone. The search database, SearchDB is just your business data source. You can change it to your data that you want to analyze or search on. Trello here. Trello is just for data quantity execution. This kind of EN file, the most important here is VectorDB. The VectorDB here, we just use the PG Vector. Also, we can change it to other vector databases such as Qdrant. Here we have to configuring the embedding service. In alternative, we can use OpenAI's embedding service here. In this video, we just leave as a default. We use Ollama for the text embedding. And when it comes to choose a large language model, Chimera DataGPT is very flexible. You can use popular models like OpenAI, Clouder, or Grok. and you can also use popular models like Qianwen and Kimi in China. It's great, and it has more cost-efficient, effective options. In this video, I will use Qianwen, and what we have to configure here is just using your model API key here. Okay, let's get started. So first, we have to git clone the repository. Here, firstly, you have to make sure you have the Docker installed on your machine. Okay, let's clone this repository. Let's wait a moment. Here, let's cd DataGPT folder. We can see a lot of files here. In a way, let's change the name of ENV template to ENV.